that right there is a church. And there's a lot of people in it on this Saturday because it is fiesta here in Cateel. Happy Fiesta. The patron is St. James. And it is a very hot morning. I'm just hanging out in the shade outside of the municipal hall. Kumar and Jundi are fixing their motorbikes right now. I'm gonna go catch up with them. And I think we might actually mamista to one place. Obviously now with coronavirus, it's kind of relaxed. Usually there's stuff going on, a lot of people mamista, but not this year. This year, just gonna bake in the sun, maybe go visit one family and have a good Saturday. There is a mass going on inside the church right now, as you can see with all the cars. Let's do this. Spaghetti, fried chicken, chop suey, escabeche, pork ribs, beef steak, kilawin, lumpia, fish fillet, crabs, maja blanca, lechon. Yes. This is actually going to be the best type of fiesta ever because there's going to be very few people here. So that means you get to eat lots of food. More for us, sakto. Look at her in the window. So cute. Oh. Look at this. This is the very chill fiesta here at Edar's. I like it. Get our alcohol going. Oh, we're gonna start this side. My favorite. I'm an addict of the escabeche sauce. My all-time favorite. Nice one, Mimi.
Okay.
Good job.
Someone has got to do the dirty job here.
Yes, that's much better than I would do. So. Okay, so it's been about an hour and a half. We've eaten a lot. Medyo busog, pero we're waiting for Jundi. He should be on his way soon. His bike should be fixed. And he's gonna come and get some food. Now what I've been doing here is also learning a little bit of Mandaya. And I know a term now that I'm gonna do when he arrives. You say this. Wait. Unan ida asmo. Unan ida asmo. It's like, hey, what are you eating? So I'm gonna do that to Jundi when he's getting his food later. Is that correct? Yay! Alright. Unani de asmo. Sayang, Jundi is still working on his bike. It's already 2:30, so we've left. We were just hanging out, a few of us there chatting. I'm gonna remember this though. It is Unan Idaas. Shoot, I'll look at it in a bit. I'm gonna surprise Jundi later when he's eating something. Oh, and I got an awesome BH, like legit, because there wasn't really anybody there and there's a lot of food. So BH for more. I'll show you later. To the bike shop. time now, driving down the hill to municipality of Boston. The guys are just ahead. We're actually gonna keep driving past the municipality. We're searching for a waterfall today. It's just beautiful out here along the coast. Power on. You can't smell the lechon. How do you know? I can smell it out. We turned off the main road. Jandy says he can smell lechon on my bike. Huh? Wrong road? I know, Kumar! We took the wrong road! This isn't Boston, USA! What did ya? Well, it's a Saturday, so a lot of locals are hanging out here. Magpong Falls, very easy to find, just along a nice road. And it's very interesting because it's just tucked away, kind of in this little ravine with a river, but it stretches off into this super dense jungle mountain. The guys are over there hanging out, chatting with locals, and I'm gonna go for a swim. Come Ogle time. So what I already really like about this is how shallow it is when you walk out. There's so much safe area to swim. Very clear water, it's not so cold, it's just refreshing. And everyone just standbys up there. Got the best seat in the house. This is the moment, this is the moment. Uy! Unan itaas mo. Unan itaas mo. What's that? Unan itaas mo. What's that? Bud. Just say Lechon. Lechon. Kabalo bread? I'm speaking Mandaya. I'm saying, what are you eating? Lechon. What's that you're eating? Lechon with hair. Lechon with hair. Biker gang. Gang. Huh?
Ganggang.
What's a gang?
Doon sa ginanggang.
The gang. Huh? What? What's that? What?
Doon sa ginanggang.
Igsaon sa ginanggang. Gang. Magpong Falls, Boston. Woohoo! Had a really good time swimming. Salamat manong! And we are now heading back to Cateel. John D started snacking on Lechon, well deserved because he didn't get any earlier. And the vibes are great. That water is awesome. This road is bumpy. But only for a small section. Woo! One of many waterfalls in Boston. This is the easy access one. More to come in the future. What a day. Just like that, we are back home. 5:30 or 5:45 in the evening. Slinky! Whew! Good. Nice! Nice one, Frey.
Head of fish.
Okay, Mike Guyver, is this, who gave you that?
From Edar's.
Oh, you know what? You should look in my box. Go.
Really?
Yeah. He kept saying BH, BH,
Yeah.
BH. You should take it out.
Whoa!
Take both.
Wow,
That's-
so
that's-
you bought the fiesta here.
Yeah, man. I told you I would.
Wow, very nice.
Let's
Thank
eat,
you.
let's eat now. I'm hungry.
Okay.
There it
Not
is.
only becoming Filipino.
There
Oh,
it is.
this is mine. Mine.
Huh?
Mine.
You wait. Are you saying it's not Mama Rose's? It's yours?
Mine. Have, of course, Mama Rose will always have a piece, but this is mine.
Oh my gosh! And you're already cooking the skin.
Yeah.
Oh! Ah! It really hurts. Happy Fiesta. Goodbye. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Leftovers from the fiesta.
Imagine BH. Good job, Vince. Woo! Good job, Jessa. What did you bring us, Daot?
Nothing.
Love and care.
Very good. Love and care.